Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by making a full backup and noting the project version so you can revert if needed. Once done, open your IDE and install any missing dependencies. This prevents runtime errors when you run tests. Next, navigate directly to the core files, the main loop, input handlers, and asset references, because these control behavior you will change. Make small, intentional edits and save frequently so you can track which change produced which effect. You should refactor one function at a time to limit scope and write a unit test for each change so you catch regressions early. Once a function passes, adjust related game state transitions and run a focused playtest to verify the behavior in context. Make sure to add temporary logging and use breakpoints to trace variable values during execution. This shows you why something failed versus guessing. Iterate until tests and playtests align with expected results. You finish by running full integration tests and profiling performance to ensure changes didn't introduce lag or memory spikes. Once satisfied, document what you changed, bump the version, and merge the branch following your workflow. If something breaks after merge, make sure to revert to the backup or isolated commit, then reproduce the bug in a controlled environment so you can pinpoint the cause. One key tip: consistently reproduce the issue before applying fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.